Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what many consider the best toothbrush on the market, the Aquasonic Black Series Ultra Whitening Toothbrush. If you're looking for a powerful, smart, and stylish electric toothbrush that truly elevates your oral care routine, this might just be the one. Right from the start, the Aquasonic Black Series impresses with its sleek, ultra-slim design finished in a sophisticated black satin. But this toothbrush is much more than just a pretty face. It's packed with cutting-edge technology, beginning with its ultra-powerful motor that delivers 40,000 vibrations per minute. This high vibration rate is designed to break down plaque effectively, promoting healthier gums and a brighter smile. The toothbrush is built for convenience and longevity. Its lithium-ion battery supports up to 4 weeks of brushing on a full charge, assuming you brush twice daily for 2 minutes each time. And when it's time to recharge, the wireless charging base makes it effortless. No more fumbling with cables or USB plugs. One of the standout features of this toothbrush is its 4 brushing modes. These modes cover everything from a standard clean to a whitening and polishing mode, as well as a setting dedicated to improving gum health. This variety ensures that you can customize your brushing experience based on your oral care needs. Aquasonic has also included a smart timer with vibration alerts to help you maintain the dentist-recommended brushing time. This encourages thorough cleaning without the risk of overbrushing, helping to protect your gums while ensuring every section of your mouth gets attention. When it comes to accessories, this toothbrush shines with the inclusion of 8 DuPont-engineered brush heads. These are high-quality, durable brush heads designed to last about 3 to 4 months each, so the full pack will keep you covered for roughly 2.5 years. The brand also provides a BPA-free, hard-shell travel case with space for 2 brush heads, making it perfect for those who travel frequently or want to keep their oral care gear organized on the go. Additionally, the Black Series toothbrush has earned the prestigious seal of approval from the American Dental Association, which highlights its effectiveness in plaque removal and gingivitis prevention. That's a big plus when choosing a device that you trust to care for your oral health. It's also designed with everyday use in mind. The toothbrush is waterproof with an IPX7 rating, which means it can safely handle being rinsed under water and used in the shower. Its ergonomic and lightweight build ensures a comfortable grip during brushing sessions, which is important for maintaining proper technique. In the box, you get everything you need to get started right away: the smart toothbrush handle, the wireless charging base, 8 DuPont brush heads, the travel case, a warranty card, and a user manual. This all-in-one package offers excellent value and convenience. To sum it up, the Aquasonic Black Series Ultra Whitening Toothbrush combines power, intelligence, and style. Its high-vibration motor, multiple cleaning modes, smart timer, and extensive accessory kit make it a standout choice for anyone serious about upgrading their oral hygiene. Whether you want whiter teeth, healthier gums, or simply a more efficient clean, this toothbrush is designed to deliver results. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the Aquasonic Black Series, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product breakdowns. Thanks for watching.